think I have to move it a little bit. Let me try to bend it. All right, that looks good. Hey YouTube, this is Winston from Speedy Pack and Go. Today is July 27th, 2024. My post mailman just left. He picked up the package and dropped me this. So from now, since I'm a new store, before all my packages, I have to like leave it behind the counter or in the back. And now he gave me this, so I can put all my customers' packages here. So when they picked up, I can just hand them this, and then they'll either give me another one, a blank one, or just take it. And then yeah, so pretty excited about this. I was waiting for this because I thought you have to go to post office and ask for it, but obviously the postman they can leave it here for you, since they have to do the pickups every day. Okay, let me grab my favorite Coke Zero. Well, actually my favorite is Diet Coke, but Coke Zero is good. It tastes pretty good too. It's sweeter than Diet Coke, and then it's you know, 0 calorie. And I don't have a fridge in my store, so I bring ice every day, since it's like summertime and it's really hot. So I bring ice every day from my house. And if you're wondering what this is a mug that I made from sublimation, which I can show you guys how to do it next time. It's you just have to get a sublimation printer, and then a mug heat press, and then sublimation paper, and then you can design it or download the artwork from internet, and then you can just make these out of your sublimation what do you call this, a tumbler. Yeah, you can print your family's photos, design, graduations. Yeah, it's good gift. I've been open for 2 months now, a little bit over 2 months. My grand opening was May 18th, and before that I also opened for like a month with no signs or anything. I just leave it open, my store open, and I come in every day, and just to let people know there's a store here. But since then, people notice that there's a new store in town when they drive by, and I try to give a lot of attention to the traffic. So I put a lot of posters on my windows, and then also print the banners and posters and those signs, notary signs. Ever since I'm open till now, it's been like 2.5 months now, and I will say at first it's very, very slow. So if you're planning to open a store like this, you must have patience, because I've seen other channels, other stores. They say they have like shipments and packages, 300 packages drop off every day, or they have shipments going out, or shipping service. They have FedEx and UPS, and every time customer ships is like $100 there, $80 here. I want to say it's for a new store, you gotta build your reputations, because I don't do any ads. I just hand out flyers, and I print out business cards and flyers, and then I go to parking lots. I have a Sam's Club right across the street, so sometimes I go there. I just hand out flyers, and then or I leave it on the windshield. I mean, I don't know if that helps or not, but I would think that I know like 99% of people, they will just throw it away, but even if they glanced at it, I just want to make sure that if they at least remember the logo or a store nearby, and even if they just throw away, and I'm just gonna keep going back and then put it on the windshield, and they're probably gonna see a second time, and eventually they will notice, oh, there's a Speedy Pack and Go here, and they do shipping service, notary, passport photos, that kind of stuff. Like for instance, for today I have 3 customers. Yeah, I opened since 9 and now it's 2:02. So yeah, I closed at 3 on Saturday. So just 3 customers. So one customer came in for a project that he wanted to do on the printer. I have a 42-inch large format printer that I can print, and he went to other stores like I believe Staples or Office Depot. He wanted to print out a game for bridal shower, and it was 30-inch by 36-inch, no, 42-inch by 36-inch poster, and it's a game that people just have to draw on it and then write on it. So it doesn't have to be like a great quality paper like photo paper or banner, you know. So I told him, because he asked around and he said other people charges like $70. So I look it up, my cost, and then I look it up from my computer. I can do the same job using a plain bond paper for a lot cheaper. So it was like $12. Yeah. Oh no, yeah, actually it was $10, $9.99 for a piece of paper, and it just printed on my large format. I just charged him $10. So he was happy. He was very happy about it, because it's just a plain paper that they can draw on and play games. And other places like Office Depot, they charge like $70, and they, like 2 hours or 3 hours turnaround time. I was in my store and printed on the spot. He emailed me the file, and then print it out less than 10 minutes, and that's $10 right there. So I mean, it's not much, but people notice, and they like my service. Eventually they will recommend to other people, and I even this is a very good idea. Print this out in your store, and then just ask for reviews. I printed out this barcode. You can generate barcodes on Google. Just search it up. Ask for a review. So far, every time I ask, customers, they're willing to give you reviews. So yeah, do that. It will drive traffic in, because people will notice you in their surrounding when they ask for a service on Google Map. So that helps. And then I have another customer came in for printing, just a simple printing job, 50 pages. So that, another customer came in just to buy labels. He was, I believe he was on online sellers like eBay or Etsy. He has like three hoodies that he want to ship, but with no poly bag, and he want to ship that out. So I did that for him, and I charge him, $1 per label. So yeah, just a couple bucks, but I mean, it really helps to let people notice you, notice your store, and then eventually they will tell their friends, and then hopefully in the long run that you can gain more attractions like customers to your store. Yeah, I will keep updating my store's progress. You need some patience to see it grows. It just doesn't happen overnight. Yeah, and I'm glad that I just got UPS and FedEx now. And then I ordered a bunch of, here, let me show you guys. So I ordered a bunch of UPS supplies. So right here, let me show you guys. All different sizes of express boxes. And I even put it up there so customer can see that I do UPS Express. And these are just my boxes for sale. It's a good idea to write the size on the box so customer can see. Oh, and this is the tumbler press that I was mentioning. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll do a video showing you guys like how to do this. Let me show you my tumbler. So this is a tumbler I made. I just thought it would be funny that use a Cheetos, because this is one of my favorite chips. I like, I don't know why, I just like spicy chips now. Before I don't. So they have these artwork, you can find them on Etsy online. So it's a good idea. And then people sell these on Etsy, on eBay for like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. So yeah, I think it's a good idea. And then sometimes I put it here and people ask, there's like kids asking, what are those chips? Are you drinking your chips? No, it's just tumbler. Thank you guys so much for watching, and then I hope you guys learned something today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.